Hey y'all, this is Max with Dining Out and Chicken Fight, and today we're up at CD's Wings in Westminster. If you know Colorado wings, you know CD's. This place does it right. They're a Chicken Fight heavy hitter, so I'm always excited to stop by. They always do a flavor of the month to keep things fresh, but their regular sauce lineup, it's some of the best in the game. The last time I was here, I tried their hottest, no one left standing, and I ended up in tears, so we're avoiding that. This time, I got the BRG, which is Buffalo Ranch Garlic, the house sauce, which is a spicy barbecue mixed with Cajun, garlic, and ranch, and then a dry rub, the garlic parmesan. Everything was made perfectly, and it's easy to see why they do so well at Chicken Fight. And of course, I had to wash it down with a cold beer. Cheers, Denver.